Hello and welcome to X-Geo to learn French. Here we'll provide you with daily lessons to become fluent in French in less than 60 days. Subscribers to our channel can watch all of our daily lessons for free. We recommend that you start with our Day 1 lesson and continue from there. You can find all our daily lessons by clicking on our channel link below. It's recommended that you listen, speak, read, then write while speaking for the most effective education. First, we'll speak the word in English, then we'll speak the word twice in French. Try to repeat with us the second time. Then, watch this video a second time and write each of these words in French while speaking them aloud. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you.
Assurez-vous de vous abonner. Merci.
Now, let's get started. Today, we'll be teaching you 35 workshop words in French. Pliers,
Pince. Pince.
washer,
Laveuse. Laveuse.
drill bit,
Forêt. Forêt.
router,
Brouteur. Brouteur.
toolbox,
Boîte à outils. Boîte à outils.
chisel,
Ciseaux. Ciseaux.
nails,
Ongle. Ongle.
glue,
Colle. Colle.
utility knife,
Couteau utilitaire. Couteau utilitaire.
screwdriver,
Tournevis. Tournevis.
sawdust,
Sûr. Sûr.
workshop,
Atelier. Atelier.
stapler,
Agrafeuse. Agrafeuse.
tools,
Outil. Outil.
saw blade,
Lame. Lame.
sander,
Ponceuse. Ponceuse.
wrench,
Clé. Clé.
wood,
Bois. Bois.
hammer,
Marteau. Marteau.
workbench,
Établi. Établi.
metal,
Métal. Métal.
tape measure,
Mètre ruban. Mètre ruban.
sandpaper,
Papier de verre. Papier de verre.
clamp,
Attache. Attache.
hacksaw,
Scie à métaux. Scie à métaux.
saw,
Si. Si.
Circular saw.
Si circulaire. Si circulaire.
Bandsaw.
Si à ruban. Si à ruban.
Table saw.
Si à table. Si à table.
Jigsaw.
Si sauteuse. Si sauteuse.
Board.
Planche. Planche.
Tacks.
Punaise. Punaise.
Drill.
Forêt. Forêt.
Bolt.
Boulon. Boulon.
Screws.
Vis. Vis.
That completes the vocabulary lesson for today. We recommend repeating this video and writing each of these words while speaking them out loud. Next, you should watch today's sentences, followed by today's conversation. Be sure to subscribe to watch all of our English to French lessons.